Welcome guys. If you want to get iOS launcher in your DOOGEE X55, in a few steps I'm going to show you how we can get it. So for the first, we are going to Play Store, then tap on the search bar and type here iOS launcher. Let's pick up this one, take the application from the routine developer, click install. Okay, right now we can open this application, so click here. Click allow 3 times. And right now tap on the home button. Select iOS Launcher 13 and tap always. Here we get the notifications and we have to wait a little bit. It's going to loading all of the stuff. And yes, right now it's almost finished. Right now we can edit also the home screen apps. Give it for this bar. When you go here, we can also add the widgets. So that's how it looks. For the calendar we have to go for the grant the permissions, so click here and select the phone and also the calendar. Right now just go back, and right now it will be loading all of the data. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!